Most construction teams don't choose software based on features. They choose it based on urgency, confusion, and whatever their crew can actually use on site. Here's the truth no one tells you. Raken and Procore are not really direct competitors. They solve different layers of the construction process, and in 2026, the better choice depends entirely on your project scale and reporting needs. In this comparison, you'll see how both tools actually work in real construction environments, where each one wins and which one fits your business best. Let's start with Raken. Raken is built for one main purpose: daily field reporting. A site supervisor like Jake can log daily activity, track labor hours, add photos, and record job site conditions directly from a mobile device. It is fast, simple, and designed for field teams that need consistency without complexity. Now here's where it gets interesting. Raken does not try to manage your entire construction business. Instead, it focuses on making sure you never miss what happened on site today. But here's the problem. If you need scheduling, budgeting, document control, and full project tracking in one system, Raken will not cover everything. Now let's talk about Procore. Procore is a full-scale construction management platform. A project manager like Alex can oversee multiple job sites, manage budgets, track RFIs, handle subcontractor communication, and control project timelines, all in one system. It is built for complexity. It is built for scale. And it is built for companies that manage large construction portfolios. But there is a trade-off. That power comes with setup time, training, and process discipline. Smaller teams often feel overwhelmed when they first adopt it. So how do they compare directly? Raken is focused on field reporting. It ensures daily updates are captured accurately and consistently. Procore is focused on full project control. It manages everything from pre-construction planning to financial tracking and project closeout. Here is the key insight most contractors miss. Raken improves visibility of what is happening on site today. Procore controls everything that happens across the entire project lifecycle. So which one is better in 2026? If your biggest problem is missing daily reports, inconsistent updates, or poor communication from field to office, Raken is usually the faster and simpler solution. If you are managing large, multi-phase construction projects with complex budgets and multiple stakeholders, Procore is the stronger long-term system. The real decision is not about which tool is more powerful. It is about what level of control your business actually needs right now. One tool keeps your daily field data clean. The other runs your entire construction operation. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software comparisons like this.